What if you can have a tool that lets you collect responses from newly approved Facebook group members and put them directly into your Google Sheet and autoresponder? Meet Group Collector, a creative solution that makes it simple to gather responses and emails from fresh Facebook group members.
Group Collector is a non-tech savvy friendly software that allows you to convert new Facebook group members into leads in Google Sheet and your favorite email marketing software. So let me show you how it works. Here I am in the Group Collector community group and I have 3 new members requesting to join the group. I have got the Group Collector Chrome extension installed and I have already logged in. Here is the Group Collector dashboard. First, create a new group. Add the group name and the URL, then click on the Create Group button. Then add the Google Sheet. And finally, add your favorite email autoresponder. Here is my empty Google Sheet and here is my MailChimp audience list for the demo. Currently, no emails are in this list. Now I will approve the first request using the Approve button. The Google Sheet is updated with the member data. In my MailChimp email list, member email is also available. Now I will approve all members by clicking on the Approve All button. The Google Sheet is updated with all the members' data. The MailChimp email list is updated as well. Emails in the autoresponder corresponds with the member's email. Group Collector contains other great features as well. Another great feature is the new members auto approval. You can enable it if you want to, which will automatically approve group members based on different conditions.
If you are interested in acquiring this software, you can get an exclusive price just by clicking on the link in the description below. So, what are you waiting for? Get an ideal tool for Facebook group administrators with Group Collector. Try it now. Also, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers by visiting the following videos on the right side of your screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more interesting deals like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.